If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Dogecoin video update. Yesterday there was a detailed analysis for Dogecoin, and right now the procedure is still as follows. So I do think there's a little bit of a loss of a pattern right here, and one can say you were trying to move sideways like this. From the last time that I left you, we were actually trading up here somewhere, and then you suddenly start to push below this zone right over there, and one can say that Dogecoin is looking to move from this point to that low right there, and we could be looking for a very mini small dump to 7504, which is actually going to be maybe a scalping opportunity down to 2% scalping opportunity. I'm not interested in that one either. And the thing is, let's dive into the 4-hour time frame, and let's look at the 4-hour time frame and what we are doing. So the progress on the 4-hour time frame show nastiness in the market. You can see in here we had 3 white soldiers. We try to move up from the 3 white soldiers, and now unsimilar fashion we have the 3 black crows, and that's actually a continuation pattern. You made one here and now you continue on here. That actually means the prices are looking to continue to move lower. One can even say you have like some sort of a double top right over there. So it's pretty much the end for me on Dogecoin to move higher. And let's say you ever break above 0.08, it is really important to come above 0.08 and continue to break that zone so that it can move to the highest part, because that's what it is. But that's really early to say anything about it, because once again I've talked about the ABC correction. The ABC correction is still in play, where we saw this amazing rally, like boom. I mean, I've missed this thing about Dogecoin. It's been a long time. I've never seen anything like that. And when you moved up like this, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, head and shoulder, break to the downside, it came down, and that's where I'm actually marking up this as your A, this as your B, and you're looking for that C correction to the downside. And yesterday I talked about this particular channel, descending broadening wedge, that we talked about before in yesterday's video, and that is actually a place where you move to the downside, went up, moved down, went up, moved down, again, move up, and you're looking to potentially continue to move to the lowest part of that channel right there. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully in the future we're going to be looking at 0.05, 0.32 if things goes as planned, or if you actually get bullish and try to break above 0.0810, then you could actually even look for the next technical targets, which is actually going to be if you take the trend line from there to there, then we're talking about a move to the upside of nearly 0.08932, and that's going to be a trading opportunity in my opinion. From there to there, we could be looking at 13% move up, and that's pretty much it for this update on Dogecoin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.